Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to do a review on the Teamoy craft bag or craft organizer, and I have had this bag for about a month and I have been using it for a project for my sister. I'm making a blanket. I'm looking down there because it's blocking on the blocking mats on the floor, so I will insert some footage of that so that you can see what I've made. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about the bag. Now I do have an unboxing video. And I will put a link in up there and you can go and check that out. So like I said, I've used it for about a month and I'm very, very impressed with this bag. It fits a lot of stuff in there. I was making a baby blanket and the blanket would be about, I would say 4 foot by 3 foot. It's rectangle, and it fitted in this bag really easily. And during the process of making it, I had 4 balls of yarn, and these are 200 grams. You can see how big they are. This is a Bendigo Woolen Mills yarn, for anybody that's interested. I have no idea where the tags are. Oh, here we go. And also the frost. Beautiful yarn to work with and very, very happy with it. So like I said, I had 4 balls of those. This is just one left over that I've just started to use it but didn't quite get into it. I also had my written pattern, as you can see, lots of pages. I think there's about 21 pages to that. I was going to say 18, but 21 pages, so I've had that in there. I've also had my notions bag, so cute. What else have we got in here? And then I've got scissors and everything like that in different pockets. So it has a lid that is a zip up. It's clear, as you can see. This part here, I'll just undo it. This part here is a easy access, so once it's zipped up, you can also access it. You can also access it from that pocket, which is great, and it also clips back down. And that pocket is also a little zip-up compartment. Oops, I've just slipped it closed. It's a little zip-up compartment, and I just kept my scissors and my yarn needle in the top there when I was sewing in the ends, so that it was easy access. It also has these little holes in the top here. We've got 6 holes. I hope you can see that. It's a bit glary because of the light. And you can thread your yarn through there if you like, and that lines up into the pockets, which is where you can put your yarn. Got some pockets along here where you can put your yarn. I didn't use it like that, but had no problem with the yarn. I put the yarn in one of the pockets like so. Put the yarn in the pocket and then I just pulled out the yarn like that and didn't have any problems with that. And you can see, let me just put, that's another yarn. You can see the yarn pockets, 6 pockets. They fit heaps in there. These actually do fit. These actually do fit the Red Heart Super Saver yarn. This is a 200 gram or 7 ounces? Yeah, 7 ounce skein of yarn. You can see it's quite big, and that will fit in there and not hang out the top. So that can fit plenty of yarn. Just take that back out. At the front here, it has a pocket. It also has 2 handles, so you can carry it like that, or you can use it with the shoulder strap. I've used it both ways. The strap is very, very comfortable. It has a padded section that you can put over your shoulder that moves up and down. You can adjust the strap, etc. Like I said, I've used it both ways. Straps are very comfortable to hold. And it has a pocket at the front here. I'm just going to unzip that for you. Make sure nothing pulls out. Ooh, found some money. What do we got? $1. Is that focusing? Of course I dropped it. Yeah, that's $1. Anyone that wanted to know? So you have this pocket at the front, and it has a net thing there where we got a pair of scissors put in there, and then also you can put in your crochet hooks. As you can see, they don't fall out. That's just some yarn needles. What else is there? Oh, and it has a zip up pocket, and it has a zip up pocket just here that you can put all some notions and everything in there. But I actually just put my mobile phone, car keys and my money, like my wallet, I just put them in that pocket so it was easy access, which worked great for me. On the side there is a clear pocket. On the side there is a clear pocket, and as you can see I've just put some rubbish in there. Ooh. Old packet of chip wrapper, and then just some yarn ends that I've been using as I've been doing those. I went to my crochet group the other day and I used that to put my rubbish in. On the other side it also has another pocket. What's in there? Nothing. Just another pocket that is not zip up, it's just a side pocket. And on the back it also has another pocket, and that's zip up. On the back it has another pocket, and that's a zip up one as well. So plenty of storage space, plenty of different pockets to put all your stuff in. You could definitely put your phone and your car keys and everything in that back pocket. It wouldn't snag on anything in there. And then the top bit does up as well. The zips work really well. I haven't had a problem with them at all. I have used this quite a lot. I've used it once a week for crochet group, and then I took it out on a day out with my dad and my husband, and they went car racing and I was just helping out and crocheting and everything like that. So I took it with me then. It was perfect to travel with, and also I haven't used this function either, but it does have some little yarn guides at the top here. They just undo. They're Velcro, and you can just, when you're finished with your yarn, you can just put your yarn in there and just snag it on the Velcro. But I haven't used that feature. I don't know, just haven't used it. But what I have used in this bag, I think it is really, really good, and I would definitely recommend this bag for you. It is very lightweight. When it's empty, it's very light. If you would like to purchase your own bag, you can purchase these through Amazon, and I will put an Amazon link in the description box, which will be below the video somewhere down here. It is an affiliate link, so if you make a purchase, I will get a little commission back from that. No extra cost to you, but it does help keep my video and all my content like written patterns, etc. for free. So it is a great way to support me if you were going to make a purchase anyway. But like I said, no extra cost to you. And I really love this bag, and as you can see, I've just finished using it. I'm blocking the baby blanket that I'm making, which you can't see it, but it's down on the ground here on the blocking mats, and I've just, like I said, finished using it, and it's ready for my next project. I did take this when I did take this down to the racetrack with my dad and my husband. I did have another project bag in there, and the project bag was quite big, and that just slipped in that back pocket that you saw. And then I had the project I was working on just on top of that, and there was plenty of room. You'd be surprised how much you can fit into this. It'd be a great travel bag as well. You don't have to use it just for knitting or crochet. I imagine it would be a great bag for sewing as well. You've got that big pocket at the back. Let me just show you that again. I'm not sure if I actually showed that, so just in case, I'm going to show that again. you've got this big big pocket here, which fits heaps and heaps of stuff. You could even fit, where's that yarn ball? You could fit yarn in that one as well. Like, it fits in perfectly, has plenty of room to do up, and you could easily fit 4 across in there. This is the American size yarn ball. Australian yarn, which I haven't got any. This is another Red Heart yarn, but this is, I think it's 100 grams. It's a little bit over 100 grams, so this is more like the Australian size yarn. Our yarn comes a lot smaller. But if we pop those in there, put one in the pocket. You can see there's still plenty of room at the top there for all your bits and pieces. So yeah, I really do recommend this bag. I'm so glad I bought it. I use this all the time. I've only had it for a month, but I use it all the time for when I'm out and about. It's a perfect bag, and like I said, it's really light, as you can see, one finger. It's very light to pick up, and it's even got yarn balls and stuff in there at the moment. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. Till next time, happy crochet. Bye.